All right, so we're back at JV. The car is almost done with the wrap. We're just doing the fitment now. So we have the front wheel on. We still need to adjust everything. I have the RacerX control arms in the box over there. Just about everything on the car with the wrap is done. The whole kit, the only thing is like the top side of this wing, which is really, really hard to wrap, as you can imagine. Pretty much everything is done. It's literally just adjusting the fitment. So that shouldn't take too long. Just have to put the control arms in and then adjust the slot. Once we loosen this top bolt right here, we can just push the wheel back and forth and then adjust the camber from there. Jack it up, make sure the fitment is perfect when we air out. Just push the wheel up, and then that way you're not lifting the car up. I think take all the camber off of the top hat, so this is pushed out, so I can see if I can max out the slot instead of like adjusting the slot both sides. Because this is like 3 degrees, 4 degrees right here. And then if we push it all the way back, because the slot's like 10, so
what is this
if this is like 3 to 4, it'll be 7.
Do you know?
That should be like 9 degrees, it looks like. So what we're gonna do is put all the positive camber, since the way slotting works, you're either all the way or you have 0 camber. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna adjust it so that way all the positive camber. Yeah, so right now it's completely zeroed out. So now once we loosen this bolt, we'll push it with that, and then we'll adjust all the camber. We'll like get the perfect fitment with the top hat. That way it's a lot easier than loosening a bolt and having to guess like where it was last time. The control arms are just knuckles you shorten and like loosen. That changes how much camber is pulled in from the top. But yeah, it should be pretty easy. It shouldn't take too long. Got a good bit of camber right here, actually. All right, so this is how the camber, this is how the slot works basically. It's just the bolt, you guys can't see it too well, but the bolt, the hole for the top bolt is extended all the way back, so you can basically just push the rotor like this, and that's how you get camber. So my guess is if we max the top hat out, going positive, when we go do this, it should take off just enough camber to fit these, because the specs on these wheels are a little bit less aggressive than my old set of wheels. I'm hoping it's close, and then if we have to adjust anything, we'll just shoot it off this top hat by pulling in more camber. So I'm gonna push this all the way back, lock it, put the wheel on, we'll see where it sits there.
Taking off the airline, about to smack himself. What?
Let us smack you with this 15.
Hey Pierce, the car is supposed, like the customer's waiting. They've been here for like 45 minutes. It's just an oil change. Why?
I beat you to it. Well, you know, you're not a mechanic, so you wouldn't understand.
Yeah.
These use synthetic oil, which is way harder than regular oil.
Oh.
Yeah, so much harder to change.
Yeah, I'll let the customer know.
Yeah. It'll be done in like 2-3 days, you know. Yeah, we had to take the airlines out for this oil change.
You done yet?
Yeah. Just finished. I kind of forgot to update you guys, so the fronts are done, and Brendan's piecing together the whole car, doing the Lego set. I'm just doing the rears right now. I already put one of the control arms in, but that is the wheel. It looks so sick. The black looks really good. It makes the wheels pop a lot more, especially the gold adapters. But right now, aired up, there's about a thumb gap, like that much between the fender and the wheel. So it's probably gonna take off like 4 or 5 degrees in the rear, and then it should be good. Should probably just run this, right, Mark? The setup?
Yeah, no, that looks fire. It matches the wrap really well.
Yeah. Do not look at my quarter panels. I'll get that fixed, I promise. The wing is almost completely done. I don't know how these guys managed to wrap it, but
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah. The fact that they did that, I don't know. That blows my mind. I didn't think they would even be able to wrap it. I don't think anyone could, but these guys are different. So car looks pretty sick. This is the first time in like 9 months I've seen this car coming together, and it's not even completely done. Still gotta put the rest of the kit on. Front half's on, but we have to do the rear overs to do the fitment, and then we have to mount those to the side skirt. Then those go on, then the wing, then we're done. Yeah, we're getting there. I'll update you guys. Just got to put that control arm in and copy the measurements on the arm on this side, and then we're all good.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today I'm gonna show you how to fuck up your car.
Got the last bolt. Well, I have to put the whole control arm back in, but
It's looking good, looking good.
I would hope so. All right, so we ran into a problem. John's working diligently. The knuckle on the upper seized, so we got it to move a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's stuck on there pretty good. So that was the last wheel, of course. Everything else was not too bad, but fitment's pretty good. Needs a little bit of work, but it's gonna look great. Just gotta get that last corner out, and then I'll probably have the car in a day or two. Got a lot more camera in the front than I thought, but the fitment's pretty good, so I'm happy there. It's definitely gonna be a lot more drivable than my last setup. So hopefully we get this broken off. If not, then we'll wrap it up. All right, so this control arm would not come out, or well, this won't spin, so no camber, which means the car will not be finished today. So I'm gonna take you guys with me tomorrow to go to the shop. We're gonna get this broken loose, and then alignment tomorrow, and then the car is completely done. So we're almost there. Just the home stretch. Of course, it had to be the last wheel. That just completely screws us over, but
Name of the game.
yeah, exactly. So it'll be done tomorrow, most likely. I don't want to say that confidently, though. I don't want to. We're gonna make it to SEMA.
It is 10:20. We're gonna get the bird's eye.
That shit's probably a fucking wire. Alright, little shop walkthrough right now. Got this young. Bro, how's the temperature up there, bro? Yo, it's mad brick up here, yo. I bet.
Car's looking absolutely bonkers right now. We're actually kind
I
of
was looking
killing
like
it.
a car for the first time in 9 months.
Damn, cuz that 326 cut?
Look at this, ready?
I didn't know you bang like that.
I don't even mean that they can't do it, they just want to try.
They send you somewhere else. They send you to
Yeah.
Mako. Yeah, so we have a Rust-Oleum gloss black. I think it just suits your car better.
Oh, okay.
We didn't get one in the trunk though.
Oh,
This is a water tank.
yeah, it's an air to water.
So if you're like
conversion.
mobile and you need to like wash your car really quick, you just hook up to it right here.
It doubles as a mobile detailing service.
Fire extinguisher. Because this car's so fucking fire.
Alright, bro. Where'd you find this guy?
This guy, dude,
Yeah.
came in off the street.
Yeah.
Is
If you ain't bumping, you ain't thugging. What else we got?
Famous quote.
That's it, right? That's what
This is like gotta be the most grassroots thing I've ever heard. Next to like that's gangster.
I'll hit a quick
What do you gotta say about this?
Yeah. Should you see this? That's pretty big, bro. I don't know.
Alright. We're gonna cut the
And he's
clip.
got two of those? And he's got
The double bangers?
Alright, so that's all we're gonna get to do for now. We're about 10 hours in, and we did 3 corners. Of course, the last control arm is seized, but we're gonna go get that fixed tomorrow, so that'll be the next video, and then actually finishing the car for you guys. Gonna have a lot more content coming soon, so leave a like if you enjoyed.
A lot of content.
A lot of content. Alright, so subscribe if you're new, leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.